this idea? But he can't, he says he has super strength, even though he can't even grab big show.
One-time top star in WWE, and he will be wrestled with one of these very best. The former is the champion, Chris Cooper, who has been on the path. And what a night it's going to be. And Chris Cooper, if he can put on his star, the caliber of the Hurricane, I deal at drawback.
That's where Brett gets the best superstars to watch.
Right here, man, ESW Raw, man. There's the ball, we're underway. And Hurricane looks ready to go. Cooper bounces his way in the corner. Hesitant to make contact. Looking to get himself back in contention for that ESW heavyweight title that he once held so proudly. For a long time he had a go around his waist. And he were to the week. The Hurricane, here we got an annual fest, to everyone deny that he should be on this line for a shot against Dino. Black Chip Fingers over RJ Speaker, championship match here tonight. Person has been through very formally a superhero, the Hurricane, who was in control of that left arm. What was the word of the day right now? Cooper, gives up your speed shot, the Hurricane back. And Cooper, in the breakout games, and there we go with the Hurricane. To give them a big victory, here he is coming off that Nelson Cooper to us. Show up to the Hurricane now. Cooper now over the top. Hurricane running again. over the top. Another 10 minutes back in. Hurricane, stands away, looking county.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, that Hurricane, he's in his business. This Chris Cooper, he's going to go. He's down, he don't know where he's coming from. This is like a Bible. This is like a masterpiece.
You get entertained after a while. Let's go that way. This is when WWE had to get certain gimmicks, and that was one. WWE needed certain gimmicks, and that was one of them. Burger. Biggest entertainer in the world.
Hurricane now is totally in control. Jack Cooper and Jeffrey Gregory Watson sitting in the third bottom. Hurricane now is sitting back for a colossal superhero chokeslams in the week. In control with the little choke. Going to work on the Hurricane. Referee demanding a break. Cooper breaks by 5. He will be control. Cooper lands a right hand shot. And Corey Underwood. Repeat everything. Cooper is in Hurricane coming. Running on the top rope. Hangman on the top. And you see Chris Cooper gaining confidence as this match goes out. And he continues to get better. Cooper, again, has won match after match over the last few months. He told Johnny Pullo he wanted some competition. Johnny Pullo put the Hurricane in front of him. And he got the Hurricane here. He may be in line once again for a shot at the WWE title. Does Hurricane back first in the apron? What a career moment it will be for Chris Cooper to put away the Hurricane. Those were counting there as Cooper was half out of the ring. Cooper in control. Delivers the right hand. And now we'll send him to the ropes again. There's a head sleeper hold. Has been applied by Chris Cooper. They'll wait a second. They're going to the truth around this. Hurricane draws the one here. How early in the fight. Boy, how come this is going to be working with Chris Cooper? Will put the Hurricane on his sleeper hold. Hurricane in the fight. He must have hit the powers. The back Cooper in the north, now stepping to the side. Hurricane was down real good hard. Over the cover, does not have a second round.
What?
Let's do it on the round. Cooper in the crowd.
Susie. He's one in though. It's at the entranceway.
I'm playing the superhero. Cooper, bring the ball.
This is a card breaker.
It's complete.